Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are delving into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.51. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $9.31 will first suggest a slower rate of decline and may indicate the initial signs of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 45.31% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 63.02% to negative 41.82%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 56.17%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 35.20% to 388.17% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.83 and $42.71. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline: on Wednesday, SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gained an impressive 7.49%. The stock price for SoundHound AI Incorporated rose by 7.49% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, increasing from $8.14 to $8.75. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.77%, with a low of $8.59 and a high of $9. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 21.87% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical signal, with a total of 6 million more shares traded than the day prior. In total, 27 million shares changed hands for approximately $239.39 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price stands at 64.97%, or $16.23, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Inc., which trades under the ticker SOUN, has made headlines today with the scheduled announcement of its first quarter financial results for the year 2025 on the 8th of May. This announcement will be crucial for investors, as the results could offer insights into the company's operational performance and potential recovery from recent challenges. The conference call will be hosted by CEO Keyvan Mohajer and CFO Nitesh Sharan, providing a platform for direct communication and questions from the investment community. However, SoundHound is currently facing obstacles beyond its upcoming earnings report. Multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company, alleging violations of securities laws that have resulted in significant losses for investors who purchased shares during a specified time frame. Legal challenges of this nature can create uncertainty and negatively impact stock prices both in the short and long term, as potential settlements or rulings may impose financial burdens on the company and affect investor confidence. Moreover, this ongoing scrutiny may draw further attention from both investors and analysts, exerting additional pressure on the share price. While there's speculation about short sellers facing pressure, the combination of the impending financial results and the looming legal disputes creates a complex landscape for SoundHound's stock. In the short term, these factors could lead to increased volatility as investors assess the risks against the company's long-term potential in the burgeoning voice AI marketplace. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a grade of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts again rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 21.87%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $8.81. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support at the short-term average, which is at $8.05. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $8.57, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 410 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 4.77%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.92%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.07. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.31. If you do not hold any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already invested in the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $8.57. If this support level holds steady, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom conducted another insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Kevin Moager conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Kevin Moager conducted another insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Nitesh Sharan conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 10.751. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.40, reflecting a decrease of 3.98%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, we have observed a buy signal originating from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate positivity. Despite the stock currently being in a downward trend, we believe there may be an opportunity to buy at this level, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by 3 cents, starting the day at $8.78. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.